Hello everybody, and this is an emergency video because it's I am cat update. I didn't know that. I was planning to do uh Floor's lava, so I'm wondering what's this. I'm excited, so we're gonna be just checking out all the new things, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Yeah. Uh, okay, I've got a little schedule for you. Find a big clock on the first floor and okay. Wait a second. Uh, uh, yeah. So we're gonna be today we're gonna be just checking out the whole new update, and yeah, I'm excited for it because we can finally go outside and we can finally level up, and we finally know how the cat looks like. So I'm so excited for the new update for you. For you, yes. So, whoa, whoa, huh? What's going on? What? 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 Whoa! I promise that I will. Meow? No, the taser! No! Granny's house? Okay, interesting. So you have to unlock the new places. Remember a piggy bank? There's something to do with that inside of it. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. Okay, piggy bank. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's so fun! Grams is very mad at me. You can.
Monsieur, you came far for me.
What's this? Open the safe. Okay, so I'm confused, to be honest. Like, what am I supposed to do here? I was planning to do just on Gorilla Tag, don't touch the floor. Stay tuned for next week for that. They changed the background. Let me out, Gram. I'm an outside cat. Oh my goodness. Garage door. Huh? How do I get all this stuff? I open up the piggy bank. What's now? Oh, it's the key. It's the key. So, am I supposed to... Okay, I think I'm supposed to... Oh, what's this? Am I dumb or I just never seen this? Whoa, where's the key, I guess? So, I didn't expect for an update today, but it's December 5th. So, it's fun. It's cool that there's an update, because I didn't have any video. That's video ideas, but I am cat. Thank you very much. Where's the safe? For giving me an idea. Thank you. Oh, I lost my coin. That's sad. Purchase items are available in all locations. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god, that's cool. So this is how I look like. Okay. 4 hats. I want this one. Oh. Okay, yeah, I look fabulous. So I spent 1 watches. Should I only have claws? I'm so cute! Look at me! Meow, 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 meow. Look at me! I love bananas. Golden claws? Nah, these are good. Hats. Should I change my hat? Or I look good in this one? Tell me in the comments what should I really buy. I think I look good. I look fabulous. This is beautiful. I'm gonna buy these cause heck. Meow. Meow. Oh, glasses. I'm gonna buy these. No, wait. I'm gonna buy these. Huh? I'm out of... Oh, yeah, I look good, done. Done. I look fabulous now. This is my... You can draw fan art. Also, I wanna give an announcement. I have a sub goal that I wanna tell you, guys. The sub goal is 500 subscribers. So please, if you could help me with that, please give me 500 subscribers, because I really want 500 subscribers. That's my goal. I need to find the safe first. No, don't tell me they removed the taser. No, the taser. No! No! Graham, it's all your fault. Now I won't beat up Grandma again. Or am I? Okay, so key. So I have only 27. Open the safe. I'm a bad boy.
You're getting far from me.
Yeah, Graham. I don't care. So I need to find the safe first, because I do not know where it is. Graham, where is the safe? Oh, what's that? Is that the safe? Oh, nice. This is exciting. That's me. No, I'm way more furry than that. Wait, no, not a furry. A furry, like way more fur. Don't draw a fan art of me, by the way, please. Draw a fan art of me. So, anyways, where's the vault? Is it there? Don't tell me it's there. Oh wait, no, those are the vases. Oh, there's the basketball. That's fun. I never knew it in the original game. I cannot say that because the original game was in early access. So, Hi, Graham. Great, it's the worst show ever. Okay, so where's the safe? I'm trying to find the safe. Graham went to sleep. and she's gonna eat something. Oh! Oh yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! I found the safe by myself without any help. My guts told me it's upstairs, and my guts told me to buy $3 million. I don't understand what. How do I garage? No. How do I garage? Garage! Yeah! New location. I'm not sure if we are gonna do it. Huh? Hi, cutie. You found the garage. Good job. Now it's time to look around. Whoa. Ew, what's that? Oh, neat quest. Have a little look. Find the gym. New place. Chain reactions. Lift the rollers. What's this? Dynamite? What? What? He throws wrenches at you? Okay. I do not want to anger this guy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I don't feel safe next to him. Why don't I feel safe? Grum is chill and everything, but this guy is scary. He throws wrenches at the cat. I hate you, bro. Like, also clean up the room, like, gosh. This thing is following me and I'm scared. Feed me, human.
Huh?
I need to run. Oh my goodness. He's drinking water? What the hell? Heck, I mean, what is going on? I'm scared. I'm scared of that guy. More poo-poo. Okay, too dark. Light up the box and... Okay, let's see. Whew. I'm so strong. Yeah. So, I think... Oh, my hand! What's going on? Okay, so I'm gonna cut until I fix this. Yep, I fixed it. What? Like, what's wrong with my arm? What's wrong with my arm? Am I stuck like this forever? Did I break this? Okay. Oh, open. It's just invisible? No, it's just over there. What did I open? Oh, I opened this, I think. My hand is over there, you see? Something's wrong with my hand. Okay, there's another switch, so... I opened the other switch. Maybe it does something, I guess. With my one good eye. Oh, okay, I get it now. Bro has a... Yeah, I found a gem. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, this... I lost one of my hands. Whew. This is fun, but I won't finish the whole video, finish everything in one video, so yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up, and yeah, so see you next time. See ya!